Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to improve the battery life on DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first go into the settings, then battery saver, and enable battery saver, also enable turn off at 90%. Then when we go back, right here we have sounds and vibration, scroll down to vibration and haptics and disable it. In display, enable adaptive brightness, dark theme, and here should be screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. And you can close all the background apps and also change a wallpaper to something static, not any animated wallpapers, just plain one color or one picture. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.